Today I'm going to explain how to use Excel to calculate dates for certain events. It can be very frustrating keeping up with events going on, especially at school. There are many possibilities to stay organized, such as marking events down in your agenda or calendar. However, that is not always ideal. Thankfully, we can use Excel to measure dates for us. For example, if you are looking forward to Christmas break and want to know how many more days until break, you can use Excel to count down the days for you. With that being said, I will now show you the process to do this. When we open an Excel spreadsheet to start this project, we need to start with today's date. So we will simply put in the title of today's date. However, when we go to put in the actual date, we do not put in the numbers. We will do a formula. The reason for that is with Excel, it is constantly updating, and when you're doing a project on events and times and dates and wanting to know how long it takes for an event to take place or different mathematical equations like that, you want to use formulas so that it can be exact. If we use a regular date, if we simply just put in the date for today, it would not update for us. So if a week from now we wanted to pull up our Excel spreadsheet and know how many days we have left, we wouldn't be able to do that like right away if we did it with the regular Excel. But if we do the formula, it automatically will update everything for us when you open it during a different time. So the formula is the equal sign, today, open and close parentheses. And that will give you the date. Then we are going to add the titles. Event, date, how many days, until. You can put anything you want for that. You can put how many days until, simply days until, days left, whatever you want to put, that is up to you. Now that we have the titles, the events, the dates, and the dates until, we now need to find the actual events and dates. So we're going to go to the Hawaii Pacific University website and retrieve the dates. Now that we have the dates, we are going to take the dates from the website and transfer them onto our Excel spreadsheet. Now that we have all of the dates, we're actually going to change the format of the date. And we're going to switch them all to short date. That way that they're all the same and that it's able to process and go smoothly. The events and dates, we need to calculate how many days we have left until the certain events take place. That means that we're going to plug a formula in. The formula is equal, parentheses, the date of the event minus today's date. And you get your answer. However, a problem that people usually have is they might mess up that formula right from the start. Instead of doing the event's date minus today's date, they do today's date minus the other date. And so you get a negative number, and that's not what we want. Another problem that comes up is people will just put in the today's date tab, but what you actually need to do is put a $sign before the B and after the B. The reason we do this is because this date is a constant. Even though it will change, when the days change, as far as the formulas in this situation goes and the Excel spreadsheet goes, it's a constant. It's not affected by the other dates or things like that. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching.